Your bank credit score. Business bank accounts are a vital part of any business. It is essential that a business owner separate personal and business banking. This is needed to run a successful business. One of the main financial tools used to accomplish this is a business bank account. A business bank account helps you to maintain accurate records, prepare reports, make deposits and withdrawals, make wire transfers, issue checks, and a lot more. And business bank accounts have benefits. They lessen tax headaches and liabilities by keeping business revenue and expenses separate from personal. This will keep you from accidentally commingling funds. Accept debit and credit cards as with a business account. There is a place for the merchant processor to deposit funds. This makes it easy to accept more types of payments and get more sales. Business accounts also have more lenient fees. For example, fees may be waived when you use online banking. Your business banking relationship can also help you secure bank loans. How you handle your business bank account is information for a possible lender, which goes beyond business and personal credit scores. Let's cover setting up a business bank account. Setting up a business bank account is one of the first things any business should do. This is the actual order of setting up a new business. Set up your business entity, such as an LLC or corporation. Get your free EIN number from the IRS. Use your corporation papers and EIN to set up a business bank account. Your bank account start date is more vital than you know. Your bank account start date is an important day. For lenders, it defines the entity start date. It's essential to set up a business bank account quickly. This is because many lenders and credit issuers see a bank account setup date as the date a company really opened. Let's recap. A business bank account is vital for success. It can be set up correctly from the start, and that will help business owners get loans and credit. Bank credit scores measure account holder responsibility. Responsible financial stewardship will pay off over time. Contact us today to learn more about your bank credit score.